If you're a gentleman past 60 and you've been rising weary, observing your erections aren't as robust as before, or you sense your motivation and vitality are fading, I require you to pay close attention because what I'm going to reveal is information most men never receive from their physicians. But it can utterly transform how you feel in intimate moments, in your everyday stamina, and even in your self-assurance. And here's the greatest aspect. It's not involving a dangerous tablet or intricate regimen. It's concerning one straightforward nutrient consumed at the proper moment that can revive your strength, your enthusiasm, and your rest. Before we delve deeper, allow me to swiftly inquire, where are you viewing from? I enjoy learning where my group of gentlemen is connecting from across the globe. Place it in the comments section below. And while you're present, press the like button and subscribe, because I'm continually providing useful evidence-supported advice that can maintain you robust, energetic, and assured at every phase of existence. Now, many gentlemen believe that exhaustion, feeble erections, or unsettled slumber are merely ordinary elements of growing older, something you simply must tolerate once you reach your 60s. But here's the reality. Those aren't indicators of years. They're indicators of shortage. Your physique is lacking something it requires every single evening to mend, to recuperate, and to rejuvenate. Observe, the true deterioration doesn't occur during daylight. It commences at night. If your rest is superficial, if your recuperation is feeble, your testosterone concentrations decline, your erections forfeit their firmness, and your vitality plummets. And all of this accumulates to a gentleman who senses 80 when he's merely 60. That's why we must discuss the one vitamin-resembling mineral that can reverse this mechanism back to active, magnesium. For those of you who are unfamiliar here, I'm Dr. Rachel Collins. I've been operating in urology and gentlemen's wellness for more than 5 years, and I've observed directly how minor adjustments in evening routines can fully reinstate a gentleman's assurance, capability, and energy. I've had clients inform me, "Doctor, I'm resting, but I awaken depleted. My erections are diminished. My interest is vanished. I feel unclear, agitated, and detached." And each occasion I investigate further, I detect the identical offender. Their physiques are operating on vacant at night. The absent element, magnesium. Now, permit me to guide you through precisely why magnesium is so effective, the frequent errors gentlemen commit with it, and how you can employ it to reconstruct your evenings and your masculinity. Mistake number 1, assuming inadequate rest is simply maturity. Biologically, your physique is engineered to achieve profound restorative rest phases. That's when your testosterone reaches maximum, your blood pathways mend, and your erections receive their evening adjustment. If rest is superficial, those mechanisms fail. Emotionally, this renders gentlemen annoyed. Why don't I sense like myself any longer? Practically, it signifies trudging through your day with no vitality, reduced motivation, and feebler closeness. The solution: acknowledge inadequate rest as an alert indicator, not merely maturity. Mistake number 2, disregarding magnesium shortage. By 60, most gentlemen are critically deficient in magnesium, partly because nourishment today contains less of it, and partly because maturing physiques simply don't assimilate it effectively. Biologically, reduced magnesium maintains your nervous structure trapped in vigilance. You drift off, but your physique never accesses profound recuperation. Emotionally, it manifests as uneasiness, frustration, or even worry at night. Practically, it appears as evening restroom visits, muscle spasms, and dawn weariness. If 2 or more of those resonate, your physique may be pleading for magnesium. Mistake number 3, selecting the incorrect variety. This is where most gentlemen err. Magnesium oxide, the inexpensive type, scarcely assimilates and primarily induces loose stools. If your objective is strength, enthusiasm, and improved rest, the varieties you desire are magnesium glycinate relaxes tissues, soothes nerves, profundifies rest, enhances circulation. Magnesium threonate traverses the blood-brain barrier, diminishes hurried ideas, hones recall, and assists you remain resting. The variety counts as much as the quantity. Mistake number 4, consuming it at the improper moment. Magnesium is soothing. If you ingest in the morning, you'll sense drowsy and overlook the evening recuperation enhancement. The optimal moment, 30 to 60 minutes prior to retiring with warm fluid or chamomile infusion. Mistake number 5, irregularity. This one is significant. Magnesium operates accumulatively. Ingest it sporadically. Omit weekends, and you'll never construct the base you require. Dedicate to 14 evenings consecutively. That's when the genuine change commences. Mistake number 6, anticipating immediate wonders. Yes, some gentlemen sense outcomes in a few evenings, drifting off quicker, tissues easing, pulse steadying, but the true enchantment accumulates over 2 to 3 weeks. 6 to 8 hours of continuous rest, firmer dawn erections, keener concentration, greater interest and vitality. Consider it as recharging your physique's accumulators evening after evening. Mistake number 7, not combining magnesium with partners. Magnesium is potent, but it functions even superior alongside zinc and vitamin B6, a blend frequently termed ZMA. Collectively, they boost testosterone, enhance rest profundity, and hasten recuperation. View it as an evening squad for strength and vitality. Mistake number 8, neglecting flow assistance. Even with magnesium, some gentlemen still battle with circulation. That's where natural nitric oxide enhancers like watermelon extract abundant in L-citrulline enter. They widen blood pathways, better circulation, and aid sturdier erections. It's like providing your physique the conduit it requires to convey the force. Mistake number 9, succumbing to male enhancement capsules online. Too many gentlemen squander funds on dubious supplements with no evidence supporting them. I can't recount how many clients have displayed me containers of enigmatic tablets that achieved nothing but drain their funds. Adhere to secure, verified nutrients. Magnesium is fundamental. Then construct from there with reliable assistance. Mistake number 10. Overlooking closeness is beyond capability. Here's the reality. Erections, endurance, and motivation count. But what counts equally is how you perceive yourself. Your respect, your assurance, your bond with your companion. Biologically, magnesium aids your physique reinstate that base. Emotionally, it assists gentlemen cease dreading the chamber. Practically, it signifies relishing closeness again without strain, without loss. So, here's what I desire you to perform tonight. Obtain magnesium glycinate or threonate, the authentic varieties that function. Ingest it 30 to 60 minutes prior to retiring with fluid or soothing infusion. Remain steady 14 evenings consecutively. Reduce displays and intense illumination prior to retiring. Monitor your dawns. Observe if you rise more refreshed, lighter, and more assured. I desire you to comprehend me plainly. Exhaustion, inadequate rest, diminishing erections, these are not indicators you're damaged. They are indicators your physique is lacking assistance. And when you provide your physique what it requires at night, it can mend, it can reinstate, and it can reconstruct. I've observed gentlemen who sensed overcome, detached, and prepared to surrender. Return with greater vitality, firmer closeness, and profounder bond with their companions. It is not overdue for you. So tonight, decide to nurture your physique while you rest. Because every dawn you rise with greater vitality, greater assurance, and greater power is a stride back toward the gentleman you aspire to be. Recall, your years do not determine your energy. Minor, steady modifications can grant you liberty, respect, and assurance anew. If this presentation assisted you, please like, subscribe, and distribute it with another gentleman who might require this communication. And inform me in the comments what's your primary challenge at night: rest, vitality, or closeness. I review every individual one. I'm Dr. Rachel Collins, and I'll see you in the subsequent presentation. Nurture your wellness because you